In this video, we are going to learn how to use the profile command. So let's start the profile command. Currently, I am into the sketch environment of Siemens NX. As you can confirm the details from here, it is written as NX sketch. Now let's go to the command. Here is the command, and the shortcut for this command is Z. That means Z for zebra. And here we have the two modes in the profile, like we have the line and the arc. Now, what is the difference between the line and profile command? So let's understand this. First of all, we will go to the line. Now, you can see that I have been out of the command, like this is the start point and this is the end point. But now I'm out of this continuous series. Now, if I have to make a line, so I have to make another line like this. So there is the breakage of the lines. Now, if we just go to the profile command and have a click here, then a click here, then a click here, then a click here, then a click here. Now, as you can see that the last point of the very first line, like this is the very first line, the last point will be the start point of the next line, or you can say a succeeding line. Like this is the first point of the line which I am going to draw, but was the last point of this line, okay? So this is the basic difference between the line and the profile command. So I would say as that the profile command allows you to have the more privilege in having the continuous lines, whereas a simple line, like if I just go to the simple line, so I have to define the first point again and again for the different lines. But in the case of profile, it will not ask you for the last point, because the last point and the first point will going to be the same, like this. So this is the basic difference. Along with that, we have the privilege of drawing the arc with the same command, like this is the line mode, and now we can switch to arc mode like this. So it will allow the user to have the tendency from the last line drawn and the arc which is going to be get formed. The user can have the privilege to offer the tendency here. It will automatically again go to the line mode. So whenever you want to have the arc, you have to again and again choose the arc mode. So this is the privilege which will user get in this command, like this. Now I'm going to just clear off all the entities which I have drawn into the graphics area. Just press delete after selecting all of them. Now press F8 for the normal view, Control F to fit the window, like this. The shortcut for this is Control plus F. Now again go to the profile, and I'm going to draw something like this. Now you can see this is how we can make it. Now we will understand the same command with another example of arc. Like I'm going to draw some lines here. Now just go to the arc mode and we'll draw an arc like this. Now again go to the arc, and I'm going to make an arc like this. Now again go to the arc. So whenever the user wants to have an arc, the user needs to click on arc again and again. So this is how we can use the profile command. Well, this is all in this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed the learnings of the profile command. Please do like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.